Is Shelby Kotick, and I am the graduate enrollment specialist at Concordia University, Nebraska, who takes care of all the Tech 21 course credit participants. So today I'm just going to show you a quick tutorial on how to apply for that credit through us. So the first thing I want you to do is go ahead and open up your browser. Make sure you use Google Chrome, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. Safari is not compatible with our application, so just keep that in mind. And then also, I want to make sure that you're using a laptop or desktop. Our application does not work well on a mobile device. So once you're opened up in your browser, you can go to your search bar and you will type in cune.edu/apply. From there, you're going to see this screen, and when you kind of scroll down to the middle, you can see that graduate is on the right-hand side. That's where you're going to be at. And you're going to click on create an account to begin your application. So go ahead and click on that. It'll take you to a screen that looks like this. It's going to have you input your personal information, name, email address, phone numbers if you would like, address, and then at the bottom of the screen, you'll see like the really important information. So the entry term should be summer semester 2026. The academic level is coursework only. The student type is non-matriculant coursework only. And then the academic program is Tech 21. Then you're going to put in your password and then type it in again and then begin your application. And it might take a little while to load. Okay, and then it'll take you to this second screen. This is the actual application. So most of your information should auto-save from the previous screen, but there are some things you'll have to fill in. Anything with the red asterisk, you'll have to fill in. And like my street address saved. Um, I'm gonna put my phone in there, my office phone. Okay, so underneath here, you'll see your academic plan. So just like the previous screen, when would you like to start? You'll be summer semester 2026. Preferred start date is May 4th, 2026. Category is coursework, and then the academic program is Tech 21. And then you will do self-pay. It's not a required question, but if you want to answer it, you are all self-payers. And then you'll answer these questions as you see fit. And then you'll type in your signature and today's date, and you'll click submit application. And then your application has been submitted. So you shouldn't have to do anything else here. If you want to click on the click to check your application status, you can do that. It will say there's action required here. There's nothing required for you to do after you submit your application. It might ask you for a transcript, but we don't need that. When I see your application come through, I'll just waive that requirement, and then I'll be in contact with you about your next steps. So thank you so much for joining me today. If you have any questions, you can reach out to Shelby Kotick at cune.edu. Thank you so much.